What's up, everybody? In today's video I'm gonna be doing a chrome delete. I think it's kind of a weird name to call it, but maybe a blackout package, I don't know. But anyways, if you're interested in seeing something like that, stick around. What's up, everybody? My name is Derek, and I am a mobile graphics installer and PPF installer. I'm always somewhere random installing some decals, and if you're interested in learning about that, then subscribe. So we're doing a chrome delete. This is going to be satin black all the way around, door handles, some other chrome trim in the front and back. Yeah, I'm going to take you along for the journey. Putting some primer on the edges. Just want to make sure it stays down. Alright, we're done with that. Now I'm going to install. First piece on. I pre-cut it so I don't have to trim it on the car. It fit perfect. Basically the size I cut it down to was 15/16, almost an inch. That seemed to do the trick. So yeah, just gonna get the rest of it done, and I'll show you once it's all done. Finished. Check it out. Looks way better black. Yeah, feeling a little tired. That sun went away, so now it's getting pretty cold. So I just want to hurry up and finish, go home, get something to eat. So you guys like chrome, or you like the black? Let me know in the comments below. I'm guessing it's black. Everybody loves black, so nobody likes chrome anymore. All right, let me finish. Just gotta make this cut right here. Wearing this glove so I can look more professional, you know, make it look like I know what I'm doing. It's typical. Just a little trade secret of installers. If we don't know what we're doing, we just, you know, pull out all the fancy tools like this right here. You know, it's magnetic. And that's it. Actually, I got to do the grill and the exhaust tips. And I'll show you once what everything looks like. Ghost glove. They're really good. We're done, finally. Check it out. So I did all the chrome delete right there, all the way around, door handles. The rims were already like that. Did that. All the front grill. That's and the exhaust tips. That's a wrap. I'm gonna head home and go see the fam. So thanks for watching.